I'm just the person giving sometimes wanted, sometimes unwanted advice.
One of the goals of the CUNY Energy Institute here is to create a high-density energy battery that takes up little space. These can then be connected to the energy grid and both store and release energy.
Everything uses batteries. If we study batteries and if we know how to generate batteries really well, it could replace fossil fuels in the future, hopefully.
In most countries, they recycle batteries. In the United States, people throw them in the garbage. And traditionally, batteries have had heavy metals in them, which are extremely toxic.
I used to work at a mechanic shop, and we don't throw away the car batteries. We actually pack them up, and we had to wait until special disposal, garbage trucks, take care of that. But let's say if you just throw it in the street, it's gonna burst and it's gonna pop. If there's like too much heat focused and concentrated on the battery, it's gonna explode. It's very dangerous.
If we can't change the culture to get people to recycle batteries, and they get dumped in landfills, then we should at least make sure that what we're dumping there is not toxic, because it'll come back to bite us.
We have heard about a competition that's put on by the American Institute of Chemical Engineers called the Chemi Car Competitions, where undergraduates in college make their own car from scratch.
We have to make sure it runs on chemicals only.
It has to stop at this precise time and a precise distance using a chemical reaction.
ChemiCar has three parts. It has a battery for a power source.
12 volts motor here, so wheels and a base. The motor is also connected to a switch and a stopping mechanism here. There is a syringe and a flask. We mix two solutions in the flask, and in a certain period of time the solution turns black, blocks the LED light, and the circuit breaks. So it's a very simple setup, and because it's simple, it's been working very well.
Everything you see here is homemade.
Every chemical that is used on this car is safe to the environment.
Iodine, vitamin C, and starch, cornstarch, the things you use to cook. You can actually do it in your own house.
It is rechargeable, it's very easy to make and also dispose of.
You can take it out of the car, toss it in the trash can, and it's gonna be fine.
Most of the cars now in the industry work on gasoline. The future car could be much more sustainable, but the problem they have now is that it's not durable. So doing this kind of projects will help us improve the efficiency of the batteries.
I get to work in a lab and actually design my own experiments.
The types of technology that we use every day at the lab, which I think is pretty awesome, is a laser cutting machine, which cuts acrylic glass into any shape or size.
We're able to sit down, we think about problems, and then when we get it, it's a big surprise. You feel so awesome knowing that, you just solved this problem that lasted you an hour or two.
And it's actually a new family, because you work together, you eat together in the same room, working on the project day and night.
Doing this and being able to think and to create something, it gives me a lot of satisfaction.
We need to care about where our energy comes from, but we have to look at other sources that we can get our energy from. Sources that are beneficial for our planet and for us.